Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tionna Michelle here. So today I'm going to be giving you a cleaning and decorate with me video. We're going to be cleaning my dining room today. So let's get into the video.
Ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
So I recently celebrated my 37th birthday and my friends got me these cookies that I'm about to show. If you have these cookies in your city, please get these cookies. I mean, they are huge and they are very delicious. Channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Tionna. I am a wife and a mom of 3 kids. As you can see, my kids keep me really busy with cleaning. On this channel, I do a lot of cleaning, DIY, and room organization videos. If that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos. Now let's continue with watching the video.
Gotta find a place, my own getaway. Let the bad times be gone. When the days are rough, I can dust it off. Change the state I'm in. Make me happy when I am up against things that I can't change. Keep my mind at ease when I feel the need.
into cleaning my mini fridge, and I'm not really sure what the kids spilled in here, but it was absolutely disgusting. It really took me a lot of work to get this mini fridge clean. I ended up using a scrub brush to get it clean, but in the end I was able to get it off.
Light up in the sky, filled with
cleaning, we're going to begin to decorate. I'm going to be using this little corner in my dining room to decorate. Everything came from Dollar Tree with the exception of the stand and the candle, which both came from Burlington Coat Factory. The books I made myself. If you're interested in how I made the books, I'll leave the link down in the comments.